Okay, thank you very much, Chet. Those in jail are not immune to the pandemic, as the Gallatin County Detention Center is known since the beginning. They're now dealing with more cases of their own. MTN's Cody Boyer spoke with the jail commander to find out more about that situation.
According to jail staff, there are 2 cases of COVID-19 here inside the Gallatin County Detention Center as of this moment. Now, they also say they are both in the contained quarantined rooms as well, and policies are following suit in every other pod. They say this is something they've prepared for since Phase 1.
Having illness in the detention center is nothing new for us.
To Captain Jim Anderson, the Gallatin County Detention Center is capable of protecting those who find themselves at their lowest points.
We deal with people in the worst situations and sometimes in the worst health conditions as well. That's why we have a nursing staff here. 2
negative pressure rooms are there to stop the spread. Captain Anderson says both of those rooms are full.
We currently have 2 in the jail, and one more recent than the other one, and they are both currently residing in our negative pressure rooms, so they're isolated.
Jail staff worked quickly with the health department, following the same protocols they would across the rest of the county and keeping them up to date.
We do tracing, right? So we look back and see if they had any contact with anybody and for how long. The new CDC and health department guidelines are 6 feet in more than 15 minutes.
So far, Anderson says the spread is contained, putting each of those rooms to the test.
There was a lot of good forethought put into that we didn't even really expect or need at the time. More designed originally for tuberculosis.
And for the jail, it isn't the first time.
We've had some asymptomatic folks in and out too. Only became aware of it because of their location to tracing.
Anderson says it's become a part of every day, even here in the jail.
We're used to having sickness in the jail, and those rooms get used. Our goal is to keep everybody as healthy as we can.
Anderson adds that every protocol that they are following and changing, they are talking with the health department every step of the way, following CDC protocol. In Bozeman, Cody Boyer, MTN News.
So while the jail continues to monitor for further spread, staff must continue going through a screening process and following the new and changing health department rules.